Today, we have the JBL Clip 4 Ultra Bluetooth speaker that delivers really solid and quality sounds with a very reliable wireless connection and very portable with the help of the carabiner, and sells for just 37,000 naira Nigerian naira only as at the time of recording this video. The JBL Clip 4 has a quick intuitive pairing speed, connects to your device very fast. It is also very easy to use. You only need to press the power button to turn it on and off, the Bluetooth button to connect or the pairing process. There are also buttons to adjust your sound or skip the music by double tapping either of the plus button or the minus button. Pause the song with the pause button too. Mine is quite compact, for the weight is light and is also available for multicolors. The Clip 4 has a convenient carabiner, which I guess is the reason it's called a clip, but this is what you can also get from its predecessors, so you can clip it to your belt, to your bike, or anywhere whilst going for a ride or biking. This leather wrap design protects the speaker, and this Clip 4 has an IP67 water resistance, but there are other alternatives that offer similar quality like the Clip 3 in both quality and functionality, but sells much cheaper. But the sound isn't that powerful as it uses a 4.1 Bluetooth efficiency standard, while the Clip 4 has a 5.1 Bluetooth connectivity. JBL Clip 4 charges for a maximum of 3 hours, and the battery life is solid for this price. Lasts up to 10 hours when fully charged. The JBL Clip 4 auto offs after 20 minutes of inactivity. It doesn't support fast charging, and it uses a Type-C port of charger and charges for a maximum of 3 hours, as I already mentioned. It uses a single 40mm 5 watts dynamic driver to deliver a surprisingly quality and clear sound, even though the bass is somehow weak. But there is an higher version to get for full satisfaction and a much more advanced feature where there is the satisfaction.
I can't take it on no more time. Only thinking about VG. Can't fuck with anything that's contradictory.
In my opinion, the JBL Clip 4 offers a commendable sound quality and also in performance, considering the price range and considering the stature of this speaker. I mean, it's a very small but mighty. The quality and everything is just okay, even though this is not quite the best and perfect speaker and would probably not be the worldwide buy per se, but it's still good. And mind us, this post is not a sponsored post. It's just my opinion on the JBL Bluetooth speaker. If you found this tip useful, do follow us for more and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Happy New Year. I wish you the same.